In today's video, we'll be going over exactly how you can get instantly approved for the Capital One Venture X credit card. The Capital One Venture X is considered to be the best premium travel credit card available right now. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Paul, and over the past few years, I've earned hundreds and thousands of credit card points, and also spent hundreds and thousands of credit card points as well. And with my experience, I'll go over the benefits of the Venture X, tips on how you can get approved instantly, and go over some frequently asked questions about getting approved for the card. If this sounds good, sit back, relax, and hit that thumbs up button. So let's go over some tips on how you can instantly be approved for the Capital One Venture X by Masterpiece Finance. So let's go over some benefits and why you should apply for the Capital One Venture X credit card. First, the credit card comes with a 75,000 sign-up point bonus welcome offer. This is worth a minimum of $750 in travel, which is amazing. The card also comes with a $300 annual travel credit, which you can use on flights or hotel bookings. You also get a free 10,000 mile bonus on your card anniversary, and you get crazy airport lounge access through Plaza Premium, Capital One, and Priority Pass. You're also able to add 4 different authorized users, all for free. You also get Hertz President Circle Elite status, and the best part about this card is you get 2 times miles on every dollar spent. The first tip I can give you on instantly being approved for the card is use the pre-approval tool. This is a tool that pretty much tells you if you'll be approved for the card or not. If you go through the pre-approval, it's almost guaranteed that you'll be approved for the card. The pre-approval tool is right here, so let's click on the link. It's going to be capitalone.com/credit-card/pre-approve/VentureX. So you can see if you're pre-approved for Venture X rewards with no harm to your credit. So you're going to get started here and just go through all the steps. The next tip I can give you is have a decent to great credit score. Preferably, this is ranging anywhere from 700 to 850. So approval is not only based on your credit score, so it's case by case. The next tip I can give you is to reduce recent credit applications and checks. Capital One does examine how many credit applications you made in the past couple years, and if this is too high, they may reject your application. Before you apply for the Venture X credit card, my personal recommendation is that you keep your credit inquiries down to 1 or 2 in the past 6 months. Cut. Now this next tip is really important because you want to make sure that your credit is not frozen. All 3 credit bureaus give you an option to freeze your credit, so Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, you can all freeze your credit to prevent others from accessing your credit line. But if you keep your credit frozen and apply for the Capital One Venture X, you'll be denied because Capital One just can't access your credit. And Capital One does pull from all 3 bureaus, so you want to make sure they're all unfrozen. The first question you may have is, what are Capital One's approval restrictions? Capital One doesn't really publish any restrictions about getting approved for their credit cards. Some people claim that you could only be approved for 1 Capital One credit card every 6 months, but other data points show that people have been getting approved for 2 to even 3 cards. There's also a rumor that you can't have more than 2 Capital One personal credit cards at a time, but there's many data points suggesting that this is no longer a policy, as a lot of people have held more than 1 Capital One credit card at a time. I would say this is pretty good news, as there's no hard and fast rules on getting approval for Capital One credit cards. Now, can you get the Venture X if you have the regular Venture card? Absolutely. You are eligible for the Capital One Venture X, including the welcome bonus, even if you have a regular Venture card. Just make sure that you apply for the card outright and get approved through that way. Now, the next question is, does Capital One deny people with excellent credit? Now, there's a rumor out there where Capital One will deny people with excellent credit simply because they want people to carry a balance and finance their charges, since this is how they make money. Now, I have seen some data points of people getting denied with excellent credit, but most of the time, people are getting instant approvals. Now, obviously, people will get denied from time to time, but the approval rate is very, very high. How long does it take to get approved for the Venture X? This really depends on your application and your background, but many people get instant approvals, but some people get a pending notice and will get further review. This manual review from Capital One can take a few days. Now, what happens if you get denied for the Capital One Venture X? To be very honest with you, getting denied for a credit card is not that big of a deal. You could always apply later, and it's not like this denial is reported negatively on your credit report. If you want to apply for the Capital One Venture X and want to support this channel, use my referral link below and I will gladly appreciate it. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.